Hey y'all, it's Lee Henkin here. Super quick video today, and just going to address how to make your cold email stand out in the inbox, right? So, if you've been doing cold email for a while, or even if you've just started, you've probably noticed that it seems like everyone's doing it. It's definitely more and more popular than what it was even a year ago. So, prospects become more sophisticated as a result. They've seen all the templates, all the scripts everyone's regurgitating online. So it's harder and harder to stand out in the inbox. So how do you stand out in the inbox? Really, it all comes down to some fundamentals. And those fundamentals are highlighting the unique differentiation around your offer. Okay, highlighting those points of difference, like your competitive advantage. Like I guarantee you, even with offers that let's say, saturated, there are ways you can position them in a specific way to a specific group of people that still makes them seem a bit different. And I know this because I operate in the cold email world, and lead gen agencies are a dime and a dozen, but yet I still stand out when I do cold email. And it's because I found a way to position my offer, which is cold email, in a very specific way to a specific group of people. So it really all comes down to identifying and highlighting key points of differentiation around your offer so that it looks different to what everyone else is basically bombarding prospects with, okay? So that would be the first one. A couple other quick ones too. Really important to make sure you're targeting pain points of that specific personas that you're reaching out to, okay, and not just sending some generic kind of junk that everyone sends with a regurgitated script and template. So if you do that, if you really highlight those unique points of difference and position your offer in a very specific way to a specific group of people, so it comes across as looking different, perceived as being a bit different, and you really focus on addressing the main kind of bleeding neck pain points your audience has with your, and aligning that with your offer, I guarantee you're going to be able to stand out in the inbox, even in crowded markets. Okay, so that's the fundamentals you need to remember, not generic fill in the blanks scripts and templates that you literally can find anywhere online. So that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your feedback.